welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to disable read receipts on your iPhones in 2021. Now, if you guys are just sending messages on iMessage and you notice when you send a message, it says that it has been read, or you read someone's message and it says read under it and the time that you sent it, if you want to disable that feature so it always says delivered, this is exactly how you do it. It's actually really simple to do. So all you're going to do is go over to your settings on your iPhone and click on settings. Once you're in your settings portion here, you just want to scroll down until you see messages. Once you find messages right here, you want to go ahead and click on it. And then right here, it should say send read receipts right under the text message forwarding option. And if it's grayed out like that, that means that you have them turned off currently. So that's what you're going to want to do if you want to disable them. And then right under it just says, when this is on, people are notified when you have read their messages. This enables read receipts for all conversations. So that is the exact setting that you guys need to turn off if you're worried about that. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to change this setting on your phones. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.